What are you doing? Eat? Really? Is it dinner time? Does Mommy want me to come into the kitchen? Right now? What are you doing? What are you doing? Really? Are those your glasses? They're not Daddy's. They're yours. They're yours. You put them on. Can you put them on Maggie? Really? Oh. Yeah. Eat? Time to eat? You want me to come with you? Can you open the door? Good girl. Where's Mom? She's eating? Oh. Right now? Those glasses? Book. Yeah, it's a book. No. Don't be careful with that book. That book's gentle. Yeah, it's a book. Yeah. Mm-hmm.